World for ages 2 to 4. 9 books for little people. It has a magnetic box to keep them all organized. And what you'll also notice is that when you take out the books, it shows you where the book goes. For this particular collection, you will see each particular animal, and it teaches you about the different animals by what they are, where they live, what their babies are called, what they eat, as well as the sounds they make. So you can practice these particular sounds with your children as you help them identify the different types of animals and insects, and even find out what their favorites are. I eat almost anything for a goat. Again, this is for ages 2 to 4 and costs $12.99.